Hey, this is Will over at MCGTechTalk, and today I'm going to show you how to do Windows 10 updates. Hence by the little name up there. There's a couple of real easy ways of getting to them. The first way is if you go to the Start menu and then click the gear icon, and then scroll down from your Windows setup. It'll be on the very bottom. It's Update and Security. Click on that. There you go. Just click Check for Updates, and it'll do its thing. More than likely, you don't have any updates to do for Windows 10 because Windows 10 has been very aggressive with the way that it does updates, with downloading, installing, forcing a reboot, big hoopla about it. It's gotten a little better, but it's always good just to run it, just to check. And it took just a couple seconds to check it. You want to make sure your computer's up to date, especially if there's any nasties running around. If your computer's up to date, there's less of a chance of any sort of holes or security vulnerabilities to have on your computer if it's completely up to date. The other way of doing it, which I prefer to do just because it's just the way I do things, is if you go down to Search and then use Cortana and go Windows Updates, it'll pop up right there, and then you can click Check for Updates, and we're right back to where we started. I prefer using Cortana for those kinds of things just because I like typing, especially on my fancy mechanical keyboard. There's one other way of getting to the settings menu. If you go to the right hand side on the lower left, or on the lower right, I'm sorry, and then click it, and then you'll see your all settings, which is the fancy little gear icon that we saw on the start menu. If you left click that, boom, back to Windows settings, and then you can click Update and Security, and there you go. There's a lot of different ways of going to it, and it doesn't take very much time to check it. You don't need to do it every day. Once a week, if you want to get a little aggressive with it, you should be good to go. This has been Will over at MCG Tech Talk. Bye.